Today we are going to learn what is greedy technique. So we can say simply the problem, or we can say most of the problem in greedy contain n inputs, and our objective is finding a subset which will optimizes our goals. So what we can say simply, what is inside the greedy techniques? First, what we need to do, we need to define the problem definition. What is our problem? The second one is we need to define the solution space according to the problem. Then from solution space we need to find out the feasible solution, and from the feasible solution we need to find out the optimal solution. From feasible solution need to find out the optimal solution. What is solution space? Basically what we can say, what is solution space? What is solution space? Basically we can say simply set of all possible solution. Set of all possible solution to solve the given problem. That is called solution space. And then what is called feasible solution? Feasible solution means we can say set of solutions which will satisfy our condition are called as feasible solution. Are called as feasible solution. Then from feasible solution, what is called optimal solution? What does it mean by optimal? One of the feasible solution which will optimize our goal, that is minimize cost or maximize profit. So that is called the optimal solution from the feasible set. So we can say how we can write a control abstraction of a greedy means a general formula by which we can work on it. So we can simply say the greedy array and number of element, and initially we are supposing solution is equal to 5, nothing, we don't have solution. Then we will go for I is equal to 1 to n solution, then 1 to element, then we find the solution, then we select x, and we select one solution from array and the number of element, one solution, and we can say if it is feasible, if feasible x, then add, if it is feasible solution, then add x to the solution. So just a normal abstraction of the code, how we can solve the greedy problems. Initially array and number of element, initially we are supposing it is no solution, then we go from 1 to n elements and we find out that one solution is x, and if it is feasible then we are adding it to the solution. So this is the general format of finding the solution for greedy technique. So there are number of applications which are comes under greedy algorithm. So what they are applications, what they are, the one is knapsack problem, the one is knapsack problem, and the another one is job sequencing with deadline, another one is optimal merge pattern, then Huffman coding, then minimum cost spanning tree, or in this the 5 1 2 3 4 5, and in this 2 algo come, one is Prim's algo, another one is Kruskal algorithm, and then next one is single source shortest path, and in this two things are coming, the one is Dijkstra and another one is Bellman 4. So these kinds of algorithm, or we can say these are the application of the greedy method, greedy technique. So we will learn it on later lectures.